Hey everyone, today we are going to show you how to change your Valorant name in just a few simple steps. So let's get right into it without any delay and get started. For that, you can open up your Riot account. So go over and open up your browser and you can go over and type in account.riotgames.com and hit enter. And you can log in with your account. If you're not logged in, you can authenticate your account and you can use your username in the section in your password and sign in into your account. Or if you have used Facebook, Google, or anything else to create your account, you can go ahead and use those and sign in. And there we go. So once you are logged in, this is a Riot game account that we used in Valorant and any other games. So if you change your Riot ID username, your Valorant username, or your name will also be changed in Valorant. So once you're into Riot games, or once you are logged in, you can look out for Riot ID section. Here, if you're not here, you can select this option and this page opens up on your screen. Now what you may do is you can go over and select this game name option and you can change it up. And remember that Riot game ID can be changed every 90 days and you will be able to change it again. So I already changed it and I'm inside the 90 days interval, so I will not be able to change it. But if you're here in this page, if you get that permission here, you just need to go ahead and cancel out your previous name and you can choose up your tagline as well. So you can just go ahead and change up the name. After that, once you've typed in your new name, you can click on this option called Save Changes. And once you complete it up, that's it. That is how your new name will appear in Valorant. And as I said, keep in mind that you can only change your name every 90 days. I can change it again in this date available. Once you change it, you will be given a date when you will be able to change your name again. So you can just go ahead and read it out. And that is it. So if this video helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And see you in the next video.